So while we're waiting for our fenders to come back, I actually went to the store and I bought a bunch of stuff. So we have the brake buster, which is great for wheels and tires. And we're going to get rid of the old Pep Boys tire shine. Not into that anymore. Now these are older tires, so they do brown a little bit. And you can see it's a little browning. So what I'm going to do is this to clean them with a nice bristle brush. And then since it's kind of a show car for now, we're just going to put some tire paint on there with some foam applicators. Make it look real crisp and make it look nice for the shows. The other thing I got was my ceramic all-in-one. So this is doing a little bit of polish and it's also doing ceramic. So you've also seen I have the ceramic 3-in-1 spray and wax. And so this will allow you to put a nice little polish on the car and, kind of its, any kind of light scratches or anything will go out. Then you get the ceramic built in. Then you could follow up with that. And then as a last, maintenance, you just use ceramic speed shine. And, you used to use actual clay for clay barring. This actually came with a clay towel. And so I figured I'm kind of switching to the ceramic family. So I figured this comes in a kit. I'll get that too because my clay is gone. I am done with my clay. Used it all up. So we are going to first just clean some areas and then start doing a final polish with the ceramic in there and making this thing look really good for the show this weekend. All right, so we got the ceramic polishing wax, if you will, across the whole car. And I think it really came out really nice. And I like that there's a ceramic coating to this that helps out, makes it easier to clean. So what I have to do is wait 12 to 48 hours for this one to cure. Then I could go through, I don't have a lot of this, but that's actually enough to do the whole car. I've had this for a few years. It lasts forever. Of course, I only use it every 6 months or whatever. So then I'm going to do it in that. And all these ceramic products are a wipe on, wipe off. You don't let it dry. You don't let it sit because you'll never get it off. So in fact, I'm noticing my windshield right there. So, and then after that, once the car's done, every once in a while, not with this pad, but I could actually take all the dust off the car easily, and I'm giving it some extra ceramic protection. So that would be, you know, at the car show or right before I'm going somewhere. So I'm really happy with that. The next thing I'm going to do is get the wheels done, cleaned, painted, and then I got to line up the clear bra, self-adhesive, self-curing, self-repairing, self-healing. There we go. Self-healing bra technology. And they have it in gloss, so we should be able to match the car, which is great. So it's super freaking expensive. I'm getting quotes for $600, which just doing a square foot was $200 each. So that's $400. So $600 for the whole fender. I guess when you look at it in that sense, it's actually a deal, but that seems absurd to me because I know it's like $50 worth of product. So, but you know, I'm not a pro at that. So who am I to say? So I talked to the guys that are going to be doing the clear bra on the fenders, and they want to wait at least 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks after the fenders were painted for it to fully cure before they put anything on there, because they said the adhesive of that stuff is so severe that it will actually pull the paint up if it's not fully cured. And so even though you have hardeners and stuff that it takes, only 30 minutes to cure, they want to make sure that it's cured for a while before we dig into it. So in a few weeks, I'm going to make an appointment to go down there, drop the car off. Of course, I'm going to trailer it down there because I'm not driving it, putting more pox into the paint, which I just paid to have redone. So, and then we're going to actually take this car to the car show. So until next time, have a great day.